What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today I have something very special for you guys. I'm very excited, as you guys can tell by my big smile. I want to definitely go ahead and share this with you guys. Today I'm actually here with my buddy Ott. He's chilling right there, as you guys can see. What's up, Ott? So we got the G80 right now, as you guys can see. We have this beautiful Daytona Violet color, but unfortunately I think these grills have been here way too long. So now that the bumper is off, now we can go ahead and focus on removing the grills. We're going to start by removing the harnesses that are back here. We're just going to go ahead and remove the little peg holder that's on there. And then we're just going to pop the grills out. Then we'll get the new grills in. We'll measure everything and then we'll put everything back together. Alright guys, so this is the grill. As you guys can see by my sweat, it's in the heat. It was a little of a challenge, but honestly everything came out intact. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and remove these sensors and put them on the new grill. Thanks, Brandon, for also standing behind the camera right now. Appreciate you a lot, bro. Follow me on Instagram. Right now we got this beautiful F82 M4. As you guys can see, it's a lime rock gray. It's a beautiful car. You guys have seen it possibly in my Instagram feed. If you guys are following me, if you guys are not following me, follow me on Instagram. Follow Brandon on Instagram. I'll go ahead and put his Instagram up here. And again, follow his build. As you guys can see, it's very special. Not just because of the color, but because of all the modifications that we're gonna be doing to it. We're gonna get into another video for that in the next few episodes coming up. All right. So as you guys can see, we have this box, and you guys already know where we're getting our stuff from. Big shout out to IND for always delivering great packaging.
Wow. And it came with the emblem on it.
Wow, check that out, guys. If you guys didn't guess before, you guys probably did afterwards, but we got the Stradale carbon fiber grills. These are amazing. These came from IND, as you guys saw. Came with the M3 competition badge on there. That's amazing. That looks beautiful.
Oh, yeah. From what I've seen, they don't normally come too much with the badge on them.
Yeah. They don't. This is honestly amazing. I was gonna go with a different brand, as you guys know from the first unboxing that I did, but we had to just kind of switch it up a bit. And wow, these things are amazing. Yeah. As you guys know, we do like to PPF everything here. So let me go ahead and open up the other one. But I'm glad that this is the first one I opened up because it actually showed the actual badge. This will come in handy for sure. Check that out, guys. This thing is a beauty again. Wow. I don't know if the camera can do it justice, but this is gonna look amazing once it's installed on the vehicle. So you guys know I do have the driving assistant package, so I'm gonna have the little module on the driver's side. Yeah, guys, can't wait to share with you guys what it's gonna look once it's in the vehicle. Alright guys, so with the new sensors, you guys gotta make sure that you guys push them all the way through. As you guys can see, it does stick out a little bit more, but that's the way that it's supposed to be done, per Stradale's instructions. Man, this thing looks already amazing with the hole already covered up. And so this is gonna be my sensor. This is gonna be the passenger side. Just pop it in. Make sure that when you guys are getting it in, you guys are keeping an eye on the sensor itself. And as you guys just saw, just as long as you guys are keeping an eye on the sensor, it'll be a lot easier to push through. If you guys are focusing on this part, you guys might not be getting this centered in correctly. Now at the same time, I also need to make sure that my hands are clean for the 3M that's gonna go on there. So let me go ahead and wash my hands for a second. Alright, for this next step, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the areas that are gonna go ahead and are gonna be needed for the 3M to bond. So I'm just gonna grab my microfiber towel and then just wipe down the edges. Wipe around the edges and then just prep the surface with a little alcohol. The only reason why I'm using alcohol is because I do have ceramic coating, so I do want the adhesive on the grills to attach to the bumper itself. So I definitely want to make sure that I give it a good wipe down, get all the dirt and debris out of it, since this is the only opportunity I'll get to really clean the inside of the bumper like this. Alright everyone, so this is how the grills are gonna look. Right now I'm just setting it in place, doing a quick mock-up, making sure everything is nicely centered. They advise that everything remains flush, so you gotta just make sure you get a nice test fitment before you start removing the 3M. Once you see that everything lines up properly, then you can go ahead and just peel back the 3M protector and then just start making sure that everything bonds together properly. Alright, so right now, as you guys can see, I do have these sections right here exposed, which is what you do want. You want to go ahead and make sure that you get everything as flush as possible, per their instructions. And once you start noticing that you have a nice flush fitment, then you start peeling back the 3M. Alright, so that pretty much does it for the for the install on the grills. Now we're gonna go ahead and install it on the, reinstall the bumper back on the car. These grills look amazing, you guys. I can't wait till I piece everything back together. So I'll go ahead and carry this back up to the car. That's it for today's install of the Stradale Design carbon fiber front grills for the G80 M3. I love these carbon fiber grills. It really changes the front end. It just made it way more aggressive. I ended up using the padded double-sided tape that was provided. That will definitely give you guys the best possible fitment for the install. If you guys are interested in a set of carbon fiber grills for the G80 M3 or M4, reach out to Stradale Design on Instagram or online. And if you're also looking for additional mods for your vehicles, go to IND, check out their selection. You guys won't be disappointed. Special thanks to Brandon and Ott. Thank you guys for helping me out. Follow them on Instagram, check out their builds. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Do me a huge favor, hit the like button. Smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Turn on your notifications, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the video. Do me another favor and share the video if you guys really enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to go ahead and get an up-to-date status. I'll see you guys later.